Hello everyone and welcome to Best Side Cycling. Today we're gonna do a part of the Lake Washington Loop here from the Welcome to Renton sign here in the just south of Bellevue with the Seahawks sign, and we're gonna ride all the way out to Gene Coulon Park. And yeah, this is a fantastic stretch that is just beyond the newly paved section of the East Rail that goes from Coal Creek to the VMAX Center, and then now we're going to be riding here. And yeah, this is a super popular route, and it's of course part of the Lake Washington Loop. And basically for this section, it's going to feature sort of the bike lanes you see here all the way till you get to the landing area, which then there's like sort of some transitions, but most of the way there's actually bike lanes. And I think the highlight for me is this part is coming up. We're going to get some really awesome views of Lake Washington, as well as pass by a few notable parks. So Gene Coulon is going to be one of the main ones, and the one that we're actually aiming towards. It's a fantastic spot to actually take a break when you're doing the loop. I always remember when I used to do this ride, Gene Coulon would just be like an oasis in this area, just because it has all the amenities, and it's a really big, nice park. Has an iBars and kids rally for food. So, but you'll all see that really soon. But yeah, just going along here in this part of the Lake Washington Boulevard, it's got some really nice sights of Lake Washington as well. So looking out just to the west, you'll be seeing a lot of Mercer Island, and then sort of the Seattle beyond that. And yeah, down there's also the other part of the East Rail that's not paved yet, and also hasn't quite reached as far as the Gene Coulon Park. So, I mean, that area down there I have another video about. You can check out. It's nice to do recreational rides, but if you're doing the loop and just sort of going for it, going around, then usually the road is the most convenient, as you don't need to make any additional turns. But yeah, there's a lot of spots here to park as well if you just wanted to just get in this area and just ride around. But overall, it's really great. Gradient wise, this part of the loop is fairly flat, like a lot of it. But there's a few stop signs here, but yeah, check out this view again. It's awesome. And right now it's about 3:30 in the afternoon, but the sun sets here at like 4:30 now. This is Kennydale Beach Park, so you can just sort of admire and see all the views available if you go on this ride. And yeah, today I happen to be riding out with my dad because the folks are here for Thanksgiving. So I hope you all are having a lot of merry times as well. So, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, please roll over the like button and subscribe. There's one more day. As the days here get really short, I think I'll just have to get really creative in terms of what video to put out. But I still have a fair amount of footage from the summer, so I could probably use a lot of that. But all these ones nowadays, I've just sort of enjoyed just going up for rides and narrating it live. So, but this is our first hill that we encountered so far. It's not very long, but it definitely does get into the maybe 4 to 5% gradients here. But yeah, as I was saying, this is part of sort of probably an entire series on the Lake Washington Loop. I know a lot of you guys mentioned that as your favorite route, and I think there's super good reason for why that is. So just to show it off and maybe give some of my insights on it, I'm just gonna go right around and talk. But this southeast portion, the main highlight really here is just the Gene Coulon Park. It's a really great place to stop. Many people go there just for fun. You can go eat food, look at ducks. There's restrooms available, and the works. So we're gonna be approaching it not too far from here, but yeah. Yeah, you can start to see on the right over there, there's that's sort of the south tip of the Lake Washington Loop in Renton. There's the former, I don't know if it's former, but the Boeing factory and a lot of other buildings over there. And now we're just above the park. You can actually start seeing it now if you're on the right. Uh, there's just a slight descent down, and then during this part of the road though, there are some railroad tracks to watch out for, but nothing too bad. So we finally made it here to Gene Coulon Park. It's just going to be a right turn, and then we enter into what is my favorite park along the whole Lake Washington Loop. It's just a really big, nice park with expansive views of the Lake Washington, a lot of walking areas and different sort of areas you can visit, a few restaurants with the Ivar's seafood chowder and the Kids Valley, as well as just like a really big public restroom that's available during most times. So, and even a water fountain. And with all those, like, I remember just coming here after a long ride coming from Seattle. This is usually, could be the start, but usually people ride clockwise. So usually this is like near the end and you sort of want a good break. This is a fantastic place to go. Just in general too. I know there's some pier and port areas they can walk down towards closer to the water, and some people come here to really check out, I think, this area with like a lot of little ducklings and stuff. But anyway, that's all I had for this video. If you've ridden this part of the loop and have any other thoughts or comments, please leave them down below. But otherwise, I'll see you all in the next one.